Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna make together two beautiful DIYs. I have these stickers from Dollar Tree, this big heart from Dollar Tree too. I have this beautiful flower craft paper, got it from my stash. This lace, pink lace. I have also these tiny jars from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put them on to decorate my hearts. Also I have this tiny flowers, this pearl lace, and some beads, and this pink ornament, and this heart I got it from my stash too. So first I'm gonna cover this. First I'm gonna take off this piece from the heart. Then I cover my heart with this beautiful flower paper. Just keep watching. Look at this beautiful heart. Et voila! Nice. If you like it, please click the thumbs up button below and go jump into my second DIY now. For my second DIY, I'm using this canvas frame from Dollar Tree and the small heart that you see on the table from Dollar Tree too. First, I'm gonna take off this canvas from this frame, but I'm gonna use it as background. So I'm gonna take it carefully and I'm gonna paint the frame with white chalk paint. Yes. Just keep watching my video and tell me in the comment below which one do you like. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Just tell me in your comment below which project is your favorite. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe so you'll not miss any of my DIY projects for home decoration on a budget. Bye and take care. See you soon.